Hey guys, it's Joseph Piandos Vlogs here. I am going to do what's inside a tennis ball. So I already opened it because I failed the last try. It was just bad. Okay. So Mom, may you cut this? Yeah, so I got my mom cutting more of the tennis ball. Wowzers. Ooh, it's like chocolate. That looks good. That looks good.
It's like a chocolate egg.
Guys,
There you go.
so this is a beginner's tennis ball. It's all red and stuff. So, okay guys, we have this sticky, oily substance. And, there's rubber, but it's oily, Mom. It's sticky and oily.
You think? Maybe because it's old. It's not sticky. That's because it's old.
But guys, so it looks like we have rubber, and then we have black right here, which
You
is.
have the fabric of the tennis ball.
Then you have the fabric of the tennis ball.
Stamp.
That's pretty simple. Guys, I have a good idea for this video. We're gonna be doing what's inside a cat. Okay.
Run, Bella, run! She ran.
Guys, that was a joke. But okay. Now for serious. I'll see you guys later. So stay positive. You're beautiful. You're one of a kind. Roman Atwood. Roman Atwood, please don't copyright me. I know you're a nice person. Please.